Well, meantime, right here in Northeast Ohio, we can help those bracing for Milton's impact. Our David Greenberg joins us now. So, David, what can we do?
Yeah, Danita, that's really a great question. And even though we're thousands of miles away, there is still plenty we can do here to help. First and foremost is the critical need for blood donations. The Red Cross is facing a nationwide blood shortage after blood drives in the southeast have been canceled due to Hurricane Helene. Anybody interested in donating blood should head to redcross.org. You can also donate money on the Red Cross's website. That will go towards supplies the Red Cross uses in times of crisis. Ohio Task Force 1 is gearing up to assist with relief efforts after Milton makes landfall. Right now, the 82-member team is helping in areas in South and North Carolina impacted by Hurricane Helene, which made landfall, of course, less than 2 weeks ago. The team will be moving to Orlando to help prep for that storm.
Most likely we'll stay in Orlando or maybe move north or south depending on the projections of where it's going to land. We usually stay inland just enough to make sure that we're safe, let the storm kind of come through, and then see where we're needed after that.
And Governor DeWine is also deploying 36 members from the Ohio National Guard. They'll assist first responders with search and rescue missions and provide other relief as needed. Danita?
You know what, David, and they need all the help they can get, and I'm sure Northeast Ohio will respond to the call greatly. Thank you.